What's up guys, welcome to Technology and Unique Things. Today we're gonna show you Grid 2 full black box retail installation 2013. It's a full version game, remember that. Also download the game from the link in the description that we have provided. So let's get started. First of all, go to the installation folder. After downloading, extract this BB Grid 2. After that you will get these files, all this. So let's go to the setup. Let's next also secure hard drive space. It's needed 8.64 gigs, so it's a very large installation, so you need a free space up a lot. So check that first, then go to next. After that, if you already have the DirectX Visual C++, then you don't need to tick this. Then create desktop shortcut, then install. Be patient till it get completed, because it's a very large file, as if you know that. Also the file is also 3.3 gigs, you can check that. It's a lot of time needed to download this for the slower connections. I will do one thing, I will pause my video till it get 100%, as if you will not get bored also. So let's do that. Welcome back guys. You can see Grid 2 got finished just now. So let's click on finish. After that, now let's move to, I think there is no crack folder, as if you know that it's a retail version. First of all, so let's check whether the game is working or not. Let's click on that. Whoa, it's a cool logo, because it will create problem. So it's damn working. Just download it and install it with our instructions. So if you liked our tutorial and reviewing of this game, then smack the like button. Also comment us below, or if you have any problems regarding this installation or the file, then let us know in the comment sections. Also till then, bye. We'll meet you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye.